Okay. Where are the fishes?
Okay. Make sure not to drop yourself. There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. I can't believe.
Wow. You give them the feeds. Oh, are they eating?
I'll put a lot, Mom.
Give some more. Whoa. You're so big.
Look at that. Maybe we should throw them, Mom.
Hmm?
Maybe we should throw them.
They're so big. Oh no, you gave them a
Maybe I
lot.
should put them all.
No.
Maybe I should put them all.
Maubusan ka ng food. Sige, wala nang food yung ibang fish.